Assalamualaikum to Mama Hafiz. I'm Haizatunaja binti Muhammad Rafi from 3rd midterm M section 1. I will explain about the monthly energy consumptions in my house. For the question 1, there is a graph shows a monthly energy bill from June until November. It shows the energy consumption decline in July and gradually increase from August until November. The total of energy consumptions for 6 months is 404 kilowatt per hours. Moreover, the maximum of the energy consumptions is 88 kilowatt per hours, minimum it's 23 kilowatt per hours, and lastly the average is 67 kilowatt per hour.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Syafiqah binti Muhammad Nazri. So today I would like to present my part, which is question number 2. Set energy and cost saving target for your energy consumption for 6 months. Then we choose June until November. So at the table below, you will see mine 2020 June until November, and energy consumption in kilowatt, cost, RM, and energy efficient index. Firstly, I would like to explain a little about energy consumption and cost in 6 months, starting with June until November. So the total energy consumption in 6 months, June until November, is 404 kilowatt and cost RM 76 ringgit 40 cents. So to calculate the energy efficient index, which is EEI, the formula which is energy consumption divided by number of households. So the number of households in that house only 2%, so we can divide June, we see at energy consumption 78 and divide by 2%, so we will get 39. And July, same, we take at energy consumption kilowatt 23 and divide by 2, so we will get 11.5. The total energy efficient index in that 6 months is 160. So we assume we can reduce 15% in 6 months. So assume that we set energy consumption for total 6 months reduce 50%. So the total for 6 months is 4 kilowatts. So minus by 15% because we assume that it can reduce 15%. Then we will get 343.4 kilowatts. So for cost saving for that 6 months, we assume also reduce 15%. So the total for cost 6 months is 76 ringgit 40 cents. So minus by 50%. So we will get RM 64.95 cents. So 76.40 minus the reduce 50%, which is RM 64.94 ringgit. So we will get RM 11 ringgit 145 that we can save if we can reduce 15% in 6 months. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Next, I will briefly explain about the electrical appliance in my house. First, it is ceiling fan, which is I have 4 in my house that consume 100 watts each, and the daily use is around 6 to 7 hours. Second is the pendant floor lamp that consume 18 watts each. The daily consumption is between 3 to 4 hours. And last but not least, the only one electrical appliance in my house, which is televisions, washing machine, and refrigerator that consume 100 watts, and the daily consumption is around 6 to 7 hours for televisions, 2,100 watts in a day for 25 minutes for washing machines, and 150 watts within 24 hours of use for refrigerator. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Siti Maria binti Abdullah. My matric number is B0618102444. Today I would like to share my pie, which is the number 4, is the develop the load approximation of percentage of each equipment. For the first one is the electrical appliance is light with 129.6 kWh with the 8%. The second one is ceiling fans with 504 kWh with the 32%. Washing machine is 170.1 kWh with the 11%, and the fourth one is refrigerator with 648 kWh with the 41%, and the last one is television 126 kWh with the 8%. For number 5 is the proposed energy and cost saving measure for your house. I choose light. The first one is use a variety of switch. When installing lighting in a wide open space, install multiple switches to cover different areas. That way you can limit the use of lighting to the area you want to use. For the second one is the turn off the lights. Unplug the device as soon as you do not use it. This advice is just as all electrical lighting itself, and is still the key to saving consumption and cost. And the last one is use task lighting. Just use light when you need it only. Do not install lights throughout the room. Therefore, it is necessary to choose lighting that meets specific functional needs. Besides, lamps, reading light, cabinet light, and table lamp are just a few examples of good job description. For the calculation of this light is the new one is the 18 watts. We exchange to propose new type with a 10 watts. We estimate that 0.18 minus to 0.10, we can get 0.08, and with 0.08 we divide into 0.18 times 200, we can get 44 potential savings percent. And we can times to 129.6, we can get from the fourth percent from the fourth, which is we can get 57.02 kWh with 6 month kW saving. And the last one, potential saving, we can get 12 ringgit 0.48. Thank you. That's all from my part.
Assalamualaikum to Sir Hafiz. My name is Nisa binti Muhammad Rusdi. My matric number B06181060. I'm from 3 BTMM section 1. My part is perform financial analysis. So the table show the financial performance of our group. In this table has energy conservation measure, potential saving of energy kilowatt hour per month and cost in 6 months, investment of cost and payback period in 6 months. Firstly, our group change all washing machine from 2100 to new watt 360 watt. For potential saving in energy kilowatt hour is 140.94 cent and cost is 30.72 cent. Next, for the investment is 25 ringgit and for the payback period is 0.80. Next, purchase new stand fan 50 watt from 100 watt. For potential saving in energy kilowatt hour is 100.8 and cost is 21.97 cent. Next, for the investment is 15.80 cent and for the payback period is 0.71. That's all for me. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nur Atira. I am from 3 BTMM. My matric number is B0618100069. Okay, so for today, I would like to present about my part, which is implementation plan. Okay, so for the implementation plan, they have contained 5 types, which is potential saving, investment, payback period, energy saving, and priority. Okay, so for the low cost measure is purchase new stand fan 50 watt from 100 watt. So for the potential saving of energy is 864.00. For the cost saving is 471.00. For the investment is 594.00. For the payback period is 1.3. For the energy saving is 50%. And for the priority is 2. So let's go to the next, which is median cost measure. For the median cost measure is install new LED lamp 10 watt, front old lamp 18 watt. So for the potential energy is 342.14. For the cost saving is 176.14. For the investment is 119.00. For the payback period is 0.67. For the energy saving is 44.44%. And for the validity is 1. And for the last one is height cost measure, which is change all washing machine 2100 watt to new 316 watt. So for the energy saving is 7517.06. For the cost saving is 4292.24. For the investment is 795.00. For the payback period is 0.2. For the energy saving is 82.86%. And for the priority is 3. So that's all from me. Thank you.